What is new coming from the Nigerian police to really give momentum to this fight against insecurity?
Yeah. Okay. This emergency meeting of the service chief with the Inspector General of Police with Mr. President is to review recent incidents of abduction of school children in Kebbi and in Niger, an attack on vulnerable communities. Mr. President took briefings from all of us, and he's satisfied with our efforts so far. He's particularly happy with the recent development in Kwara, where all the 38 abducted victims from a church have all been rescued and reunited with their families. Mr. President went further to give orders to us, orders which include the immediate action to free the police from VIP protection and provide more men for the ongoing fight against.
What do you mean? What do you mean about the VIP protection?
Yeah, what I mean is that Mr. President gave direct order that immediately policemen providing VIP protection should be made available to join the forces, combating the... You see, the policemen providing VIP protection presently are to be withdrawn, and they are to complement the ongoing efforts against criminalities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You want to add something? You want to add something to it?
You said it all.
Okay. What hope do you think Nigerians...
Very soon, Nigerians would also hear very positive developments and news on this front. So, all in all, there is cause for Nigerians to be upbeat that the Commander-in-Chief is sitting and is managing the situation, and positive results are coming on very gradually. And believe me, we have every reason to unite behind the government at this hour in Nigeria.